So no one told you or forced you.
Friends building.
A meetup of people that said it.
Oh. हमको हमी से चुप. We are in Central Park. Good morning. Bye.
We're in Newark, New Jersey, heading towards the city.
Also, welcome back to our channel. That's how you start a vlog. And it's day 2 in New York. We are
Not yet.
What?
Not yet.
What not yet?
We're not in New York yet.
The same thing, we are going there.
Okay.
We are going to take a train and then a subway. Right?
Yep.
And then go eat panini. And then we'll see. This is chicken parmesan sandwich.
A meetup of people that said she loved them missing. And Mom's like, oh, that's so nice. Like, if you really appreciate it.
You like yours better?
Mine is better. Mine is better. Yay, veg. We dressed up for summer, last of summer days in New York, and it's raining. Are you sad? Oh.
How many times should I tell you to take care of your step? Wow. Wow.
It is on camera.
Just wow.
I have to fall everywhere. I have to leave my nishanis. Now I have to cover up with the jacket because it's raining. We are looking for an umbrella. Do you want to go check inside? A Halloween store. Simply, we can just go. We are here in Washington Square Park and Sasank wants to take a couple of pictures and I'm having full mohabbatein moment. Humko hami se chud. Copyright because I'm a good singer. Hum akele rakho na jaye dur tumse ho na jaye. Remember this from Friends? That's where we are. That is the park. That is my husband. That is the arch. Arch? What is it called? Arch. And I think यहाँ पे Tararampam shoot हुआ था. I think so. I think this is the same fountain where the kids come and take bath when their parents are too poor to afford a big bathroom. That's the friend's apartment, guys. Oh my god. I'm so dressed, but
Where are we going?
Magnolia!
What are you going to have there?
I have no idea. I just need a chair to sit on and something warm in my tummy. I'm cold. What do you want to have? Banana pudding?
Yeah, probably not. Like a red velvet cupcake.
Okay. Or maybe a blueberry.
So that you can have half of it?
What building is this? The marble one. And that is the building that my husband made.
There's
So
a
proud of
World
you.
Trade Center Memorial.
And what is this?
I forgot what this is.
We're comfortable. We're welcoming to New York. Otherwise, you won't be able to enjoy it, even if you have good amount of energy. My feet are killing me. Yay!
Come and talk to you. Come and talk to you and tell you their life stories.
So cool!
While among those who read alone, that's Confucius Plaza in Chinatown. The bridge spells out on Canal Street, direct form of work noise is the BDNRU subway.
That's the Brooklyn Bridge, and this is
That was the
Manhattan
train line to
Bridge.
get to New York's town. Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn, to our right, which is where I That was the day the statue was dedicated. Everybody has a day off, except Wall Street. They're the only ones working, and they're not happy. Changes, and it's wonderful. But the Civil War ends, Lincoln is fatally Civil War ends, both sides cancel contracts, national unemployment rates. Can't say the same about us. Won't do it long enough for me.
We are here for our lunch to eat ramen. Nice and warm. Have you ordered? And I have ordered vegan ramen, nothing fancy, and spicy edamame. What do you think? How does it taste?
Like edamame.
You have had edamame before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not like me, edamame virgin.
Some chili oil perhaps.
Fried onion, kanda bhaji ka taste in which but it is good. We are here in Scenic Park as it's so pretty. It's very pretty and it's cool. pool. So pretty. We're at Central Park, and that is our ride. Very romantic. And we are here to look at the iconic fountain. Yay! I think we can go down, right? Let's go down. We are in Central Park. It's raining again. Woohoo! Did I zoom out? Oh. Okay.